Here's a Hall Effect gaming keyboard you might not have heard about. This is the Norshark Gamerke Collab NS68, a 65% keyboard that's got every gaming feature you could need. It's an all plastic build with this clean black aesthetic. It comes with hot swappable magnetic switches you can adjust down to 0.01mm actuation, snap tap, a crazy fast 8K polling rate, RGB lighting and tri-mode connectivity. And you're getting this complete package for under £40. Plus it's one of the better sounding Hall Effect keyboards that I've tried. Don't forget to follow for more content.